Guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to another video. I am shooting this video after a long time. I think I am shooting this video after 1 to 1.5 months. So please forgive me for that, and I will provide in
this last year.
In this means I am telling that in this last month of 2020, that means in the December month, I will probably be coming with 2 to 3 videos, and I will be continuing the next year more. So today's topic, I think you have understand by the thumbnail and title, and that is the big bug that you can use it very effectively, means very usefully in the RC20 game, which is a cricket game, and it is also a multiplayer cricket game that you can find in the Play Store. So I have found one bug in this game which you can see in the next clip. So without any wasting any type of time, let's get straight into the. So you can see that I have come in the match and I am facing the ball. So what is the bug? I will show you. See that I will be getting a wicket, then I will show you. Means I will be out, then you can see that bug, means you can understand. See, I have hit the ball and I am taking run out, and you can see that I am out. That umpire will show that out. Then what you have to do is you have to go in this recent tab, means you have to close the RC20 window from the recent tab. And what will help, that is, means if you are playing, if you are out, then the wicket will not fall. Now when I will open, then you can see that I have not means any wicket has not fall. And this can be any out, like run out, bowled, catch, or anything. You have to just, when you will see that you are out or you are out, then you have to only close the window from the recent tab and you will be not out. And that is the trick of this bug, and you can use this bug in every tournament like World Cup or any, and you have last wicket and you have more run to win. You need more run to win, and you have only last wicket, then this trick will help you a lot. See, you can see now that my wicket has not fallen. See now, when I will be there, you can see that there is only 0 wicket now also. See that I am not out till now also, means you can see that this is 0. The wicket is 0. So this is for this video. I hope you will like this today's video, and if you like this video, then do not forget to share with your friends and let them know also this bug. And if you also play RC20, then let me know in the comment. We will play together, and we will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.